Welcome to the Red Tie Report, Build Season Week 5. This is your host, Shrine Jana. Design. This week revolved around making dimensions to the robot and the design team. They had been working closely with the mechanical team to ensure that everything is running smoothly, and that parts are being fabricated by the way the design team had envisioned. Fixing the main breaker on the robot was another focal point this week, and the design team had been looking for belts to be used in the cargo intake as well. Mechanical. The mechanical team made significant progress on a robot frame this week, and they dedicated a lot of hard work and time to it. They've also been putting work into installing a cargo manipulator mechanism, which is essential to the team's strategy. Near the end of the week, the mechanical team started working on installing rails for the hatch mechanism. The mechanical team has been working in tandem with the design team, allowing the ball to enter the intake comfortably, as they had some critical issues with it. This week was a huge drive for the mechanical team in terms of the final robot's progress during competition, although there are many critical issues with intake functionality. Electrical. Wiring for the electrical board was an extremely important part of the electrical team's work this week. The team has been working tirelessly on cable management for its essential part of the robot, and began to look into rubber covering for those wires. They've installed all critical components on the electrical board, and are currently working on attaching hinges to it to make it swing out for user access. They are almost finished with the completion of the electrical board, and I just need to integrate the electrical wiring for the robot. Programming. Coding for the robot visions this week was an important task for the programming team, as it is needed for a robot to recognize the cargo, hatch, as well as vision targets on the rocket and cargo ships. In addition, the team has also been working on a threaded logging code for the purpose of easing debugging once you get to competition. This greatly improves the team's ability to solve problems on the fly. On top of all this, the programming team started working on an autonomous path to be used in a competition sandstorm period, as well as improving vision code to detect hatches and balls from certain distances. Business. The first half of the business week involved writing the Woody's Flowers Award, and they researched grants throughout the entire week. One of our dedicated members came up with the organization board to ensure all the business team's jobs got done in a timely manner. They started implementing the system to ensure that a few members from the team are working on grants at all times. In addition, a mentor started interviewing members of our team for the Dean's List essay.